Hello and assalamu alaikum to the ones who are listening to me. Welcome back to another episode of the Candid Hour. This is your host Wania Shirazi, and today my mind is really blown up, like it's screwed up. In my today's podcast, there is no intro, there's nothing. Just I want to speak up. I wasn't at home, so I couldn't connect to the internet a few days back. But 2 days back, I got to know about the Hazara incident, and seriously, उस चीज़ ने मेरा दिमाग खराब कर दिया. Like how brutal somebody could be. इतनी दरिंदगी कैसे हो सकती है किसी के अंदर? The way they have killed them. Like if somebody doesn't know, I'm talking about the coal miners who were killed at Hazara. 11 coal miners were kidnapped and then killed. Could you just imagine it? Like how much brutal that is. मतलब कि उनका कसूर क्या था? The only sin they committed, the only mistake they had कि उन्हें नबी पाक सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम के नवासे से प्यार था. Like they were Shia. What was their fault? And this is not the first time ऐसे हुआ है. Like in decade, if you could see the picture of the graveyard over there, वहाँ पर जगह नहीं है कब्रों की. And if you could see the pictures in that, like सब ही जवान लड़के हैं. And they have only fault, the only mistake they made, that they belong to Shia community. And again, it's not about Shia Sunni, it's about humanity. Like it's not about any sect, it's about humanity. इंसानियत ही ख़त्म हो चुकी है लोगों में. And this is not the first time it had been done to this. But now it's enough. You know, the bad part is that I couldn't do anything for them because I don't have a large reach, or, like I don't have the resources or anything. But I want to give my 2 cents on this because I really want to. And I've never asked you people to share my content or you promote me, but please hear this. I want each of you to share this. And I want it to reach as much as it can. Like what's happening in this world? Muslims are being targeted and killed everywhere. They're killed in Syria, in Palestine, in China. But we can't do something about them. But like Pakistan can't do something about them. There is discrimination of Muslims in the West, but Pakistan can't do anything about them, and that's completely okay. But these people, these Hazara people, they belong to us. They are us. हम इनको हज़ारा हज़ारा करके कहते हैं. They are Pakistani, कोई और नहीं है. We can do something about them. Then why we don't do something about them? Why our government is not doing anything about them? Like whenever anything bad happens to humanity, कहीं पर भी मर्डर होता है, कहीं पर भी जुल्म होता है, हम आवाज़ उठाते हैं. लाइक इवन इन द अदर कंट्रीज. तो ये केस हमारा हज़ारा वालों के साथ क्यों नहीं है? इवन आवर मीडिया इज नॉट गिविंग द अटेंशन टू देम, दैट attention they require. They are our people. Why we only call them Hazara, Hazara, Hazara? Like they are our people. They are our brothers and sisters. Why we don't stand for them? Why there is a sect discrimination over here? Like why our government is not taking action against that? There are about more than 1,000 Hazara people who were killed in the last 15 years. Like it's not like that you need to be a Shia or you need to belong to that particular sect to just support them. You need to be a human being to support them. वैसे तो I'm sorry to say हम हर चीज़ पे आवाज़ उठाते हैं. इवन कि जानवरों के साथ भी जुल्म हो तो हमारी यूथ बहुत एक्टिव है. Like they are supporting people. And that's a good thing. But why you are not taking stand for the Hazara community? I can't understand that. हमारे influencers like बहुत सी ले भी रहे हैं लेकिन मेजॉरिटी नहीं ले रही. Like they talk about animal abuse and everything. चले influencers या फिर media, like our media should be supportive. उसका तो हक है, even duty है. तो बाकी सब तो बात की बात है. Why our government isn't taking actions? I was not a fan of our prime minister, but I have a respect for him somehow, but he has lost all the respect in my heart, and not mine, a lot of people like me. The Hazara family are protesting for justice, and they demanded their prime minister to be there with them. There was nothing else they demanded. But whatever prime minister, what a great comment he's made. मतलब वो लाशों को लेके किस तकलीफ में -9 डिग्री में बैठे हुए हैं. And our prime minister is saying them, you should just bury the dead bodies and I will visit you soon. Wow, man, like you're going on an event, that an event is happening and you can say that मैं बाद में आ जाऊंगा. That's so cruel of you. You should be shamed about that. What is more important than the people who made you the prime minister in the first place and you can't even visit them? There is no very soon in such matters. Like you have to go there. और तो आपने कुछ करना नहीं है, एटलीस्ट उनके पास पहुंच जाए, वो कंसोल कर सके आप उनको उम्मीद दिला सके, आप ये बता सके कि आई एम विद यू, बट यू डोंट हैव द टाइम. ही इज़ बिजी इन डिस्ट्रॉइंग सम इकोनॉमी एंड देन ही विल लेटर रियलाइज दैट आई वुड हैव गॉन फर्स्ट, बट देन दैट्स टू लेट मैन. Or he's busy in recommending us some drama or like anything like that. What is more important than that consoling those people? Doesn't he see the pain they are going through? Like, I just heard the statement of a girl, her name was Masuma, and they were interviewing her and she said कि हमारे ख़ानदान में कोई मर्द नहीं बचा कि जिसके कोई जनाजा उठा सके, हम लोग खुद बरी करेंगे. What is more heartbreaking than that? Like, I couldn't sleep because of this just goes on in my mind. Itna zulm, and nobody's giving a damn about it because they belong to a particular sect. Come on, man. Where is the humanity? Like, Hazaras are us. We all are. आज उनके साथ हो रहा है, कल को हमारे साथ होगा. आज वो लोग सफ़र कर रहे हैं, कल को हम लोग भी सफ़र करेंगे. Then why don't you see that? This is called मदीना की रियासत. तो ये है मदीना की रियासत. I'm sorry, I can't see this as a मदीना की रियासत. जुल्म के खिलाफ जुल्म देखकर भी आवाज़ ना उठाना भी आपको जालिम में ही शामिल कर देता है. I don't have much reach or following or stuff, but I want to talk about it because my blood is boiling. And our youth, like I was putting stories regarding it on my Instagram, and somebody replied me that what's happening, like what does that matter? Like, about the influencer, about you can stalk the girls and the stuff, you can watch TikTok and whatever it is, but you don't know what's happening there. Come on, man, we need to wake up. We need to focus on the stuff that really matters other than wasting our time. -9 डिग्री कहना आसान है, और उसके अलावा like they are sitting with the dead bodies of their loved ones. Could you imagine the pain? And I've seen the interviews, they are demanding nothing, कुछ भी नहीं मांग रहे, just they were asking for the PM to go there to visit them, to console them. Nothing else they are demanding, like other than justice. They are not affecting any government or anything, but no one is doing anything for them. They are just asking for justice and peace. This needs to be stopped here. Like, enough is enough. We have to raise voice. We have to make it happen. Like, we want them to provide justice to them. Hazara is us. They are our people. They are not alone. Let's just show them that they are not alone. We are with them. I know a lot of people have skipped my video or, like, just left it कि मैं जज्बाती हो रही हूँ. But look at it. Like, we need to speak up. अगर हम आज नहीं बोलेंगे तो कल को हमारा भी यही हाल होगा. Like, just imagine Daesh has reached Balochistan. And how far is us? ऐसे ही हमें गलत फहमी होती है तो बस उन पे वक्त आया, हम पे तो कुछ आना नहीं. But this is gonna happen. Look at Syria. And we're not far away from it. जो वहाँ पर हुआ वो यहाँ पर भी होने में कुछ टाइम नहीं लगेगा. So we need to speak up. We need to take action. And what we can do, just raise voice against it. make all these hashtags like we want justice for Hazara, we are with Hazara, make it trending, because हम सिर्फ यही कर सकते हैं, but at least we should do our part जितना हम कर सकते हैं. And अल्लाह का शुक्र है कि सोशल मीडिया हैज़ द पावर nowadays कि उस पर बात आती है तो हमारे थोड़े हुक्मरानों को भी थोड़ी अकल आना शुरू हो जाती है. So raise your voice, make these hashtags viral and support, raise your voice please. सोचे जिनके घर जनाजा उठाने वाला नहीं है कोई, उनके घर चलाने वाला कौन होगा, उनके घर का बोझ उठाने वाला कौन होगा, like how they will survive. मैं भी आज ही कुछ बोलूँगी, आप लोग भी अफसोस मनाएंगे कुछ देर, but they are going to suffer. तो हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते, चले हम इंसाफ नहीं दिला सकते या हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते, at least we can do is raise our voices against them, against the brutality. We can raise our voice for the justice. So please do that. बुरे को बुरा कहो तो सही at least. प्लीज़ लाइक हमें किसी गवर्नमेंट का इजहार अफसोस नहीं चाहिए, वो बहुत हो चुका, आपने पहले भी किया था और आप अब भी वही कर रहे हैं. वी नीड एक्शन. कल को कोई और कंट्रोवर्सी आएगी, सारी दुनिया वहाँ पर गुम हो जाएगी एंड वी विल बी फॉरगेटिंग अबाउट द हज़ारा पीपल, द सफरिंग्स ऑफ देम. सो प्लीज़ मेक इट हैपन टुडे. मक्तल से आ रही है सदा, ए अमीर शहर, इजहार गम न कर, मेरा कातिल तलाश कर. सो यू नीड टू प्रोवाइड देम जस्टिस, not only just tweet about them that you console them. You need to take action, please. Thank you so much for listening to me. Allah Hafiz.